Welcome back to the pack. Today I'm going to show you how to custom paint your own bike. Next fall, my best friend and I, Gavin, are going to move up to Gainesville for college, and hopefully we're going to be biking a lot more around town. I've got this bike here. But unfortunately, Gavin doesn't have a bike. So this video is his Christmas present and my aim to solve that problem. Step one is going to be disassembly. This is a single speed bike, so I don't have to worry about the cassette, but for all intents and purposes, the process will be similar. I'll go through each step showing you how I took the bike apart. For this first part, I'm just taking apart the chainring. Highly recommend staying organized here and keeping all your bits and pieces in one area. Here I'm just taking off the pedals, and using a pedal wrench here makes it a lot easier. I'm just going to go rapid fire through the rest of these, putting the name of the part on the screen. Next, we're going to clean the bike to prep it to be sanded down. Step 3 is going to be removing the paint that's already on the bike. Well, with all that out of the way, we can finally start customizing. Last, and certainly my least favorite, is reassembly. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like, drop a comment on what color you would have painted the bike, subscribe for more goodies pack, and Merry Christmas, Gavin.